These surface effects that Linda Connor brings into view trouble the rhetorical transparency of the photograph. When you see the plate as a plate, you're not just looking at the moon anymore. You might find yourself suspended, pleasurably suspended perhaps, between seeing the moon and seeing the fragile, textured, peeling surface on which the moon was recorded. In my research, I've long been interested in those moments in both science and in art when a photograph cannot be looked through, when its status as a particular kind of image registered in a particular assemblage of materials by a particular chemical or physical process, when all of that kind of directly impinges upon its meaning. And there seemed to be the very real possibility that electricity's unknown nature and its material effects in the kind of observable world might be linked across a divide that might also mark the line between ether and the material world, between mind and matter in the human body, or between intelligent spirits and their interventions in seances. So this subtext of anti-materialism, spiritualism, these possibilities, they were a kind of constant background behind electricity research. And it meant that the electrical lab was always a space in which the boundary between the material and the immaterial was being probed and questioned. The surfaces of glass tubes and glass plate negatives often became sites for this investigation.